Last bite. Last delicious bite right here. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all doing amazing. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in Mumbai, India. This is an amazing city, and I've been here for 2 days. But today I'm meeting up with my friend Rupesh. He's a food blogger. We're gonna go have some breakfast. We're gonna see Versova Beach. We're gonna have some lunch, see some more attractions. I'm super excited. I'm pumped. Let's go explore Bombay. Good?
Good.
Yes, I did it.
Good.
It's India, dude.
Hey, welcome to Mumbai.
Thanks, dude. Thank you.
Come.
Let's do it. Breakfast.
Hello friends, my name is Rupesh and I'm a food blogger in Mumbai. My blog name is Booked by Bird. So here finally David is here in Mumbai and I'm taking him through for breakfast. So we are at Chaayos and we have ordered this.
This is like a cold chai. Oh, that's so good. The problem with the chai in India is it's always so hot. This is like freezing though. Do I need to wake up?
Oh, let's dip into masala chai. Oh my god, that feels nice. So we have this is chicken cutlet and this is mutton cutlet.
Okay, so it's basically fried.
Yeah, the deep fried stuff with.
And this is typical breakfast here?
Yeah. So this dish called Mom's Poha, which is AKA puffed rice, which is with the masala and there is a little bit lime there. So I'll just
Chicken cutlet, mutton cutlet, and rice.
dip in here. Tell me how you find it. Yeah. Good, right?
More like minced meat
Yeah.
with spices.
This is the spices, yeah. It is deep fried, but it's not that oily. But when you say heavy breakfast, I believe this is the best.
They're like little mutton fritters.
It's so stuffed.
I love it. It feels healthy, but it's not so. It's like a very light, flaky rice. It's like not even like, really because the rice feels more like grains.
Great. Yeah. So this is puffed rice with a little bit masala. Then you have peanuts here. You have chopped onions,
Wow.
curry leaf. So light, very light with peanuts. Perfectly masala. I think this makes a perfect breakfast. Enjoyed it.
In India, every 50 kilometers, the language changes, the food changes, the people change.
Yeah, totally.
Like, it's amazing. Next up, we're going to Versova Beach. This beach is famous because at one point it was extremely polluted with garbage, and now it's one of the prettiest beaches in India.
Hey, so we are here at Versova Beach, and so what special in Versova Beach? If you see, have a look, it's so nice and clean. So there is a citizen, Afroz Shah, took an initiative to start Clean India project. He was saying like where to start from. So why not Versova Beach where he stays? And here we go.
So he wanted to start a cleaning project, to clean up the beaches, because here in India there's a lot of garbage. Obviously you have 23 million people in a small space, and this is the first place he started. As you can see, it's like beautiful white sandy beach. I mean, there's still a little bit of stuff, but you can't really avoid it here in India, and it looks really clean. Versova Beach is beautiful. It's over here, there's a slum, and I don't recommend going over there. But so this side of the beach is beautiful, as you can see.
We are going to Versova Jetty, and we will cross over and we will reach Madh Island.
Mud Island, that's right over there. You can see the fort, Mud Fort. There we're gonna see traditional fishermen, like they're basically their way of life. We're gonna see them fishing. Hopefully we can find some crab tandoori.
Yeah, just see like what they have for today's lunch.
Yeah, I hope they have something.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm full, but I can eat more.
Yes. Now today you are with a food blogger, so you have to eat more.
Yeah, dude, I eat more. Yesterday I ate so much. Best way to get around this little area is by tuk-tuk because everything's very close. No point in calling Uber. just jump on a tuk-tuk. We crossed over to Madh Island. It was a little unfortunate because the ferry driver got super mad at me. He basically said I can't take photos or videos. Even on the platform when I got off, he was screaming at me. So here we are. So we're gonna get another rickshaw and we're going to the market.
Market, yeah, mud market.
Mud market.
To see local cuisine and let's see what we get to eat because I'm super hungry.
Yeah.
Are you?
I mean, dude, we just ate, but I don't get to eat again.
Yeah.
Tuk-tuk? Well, he's full.
Tuk-tuk.
I think we should eat here compared to eating in where the pagoda is. Whatever you want, whatever you think.
Yeah, because in pagoda you won't get anything.
Exactly, we should eat here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So now what is next? Like we are here in a market. So this is for the local people here. You get vegetables, you get food, you get fish, fresh fish, which is like their day-to-day business here. And I think this is the only market for the localized here. So then they travel here and then they buy for their daily needs. And I'm quite hungry, so I need to catch something, some sort of street food, which I'm very famous for. So let's catch vada pav, which is my personal favorite. So it's like a food for fuel, and this is vada pav. Obviously, everybody knows you get vada pav in Mumbai. Every hook and corner. You have vada pav joint. Good.
So we made it to the fish market. Wow. Oh, it smells good in here.
Prawns.
Prawns.
This is pomfret. So this is Bombay duck. This is prawns. So you know, they clean it. They clean and give. If you'll give extra bucks. So that's what I was saying. So people who want to buy this, so then they get it cut the way one, small, medium size or whatever. So it's easy fix. So they go home and then cook quickly.
Food in 40, it's like a crepe? This is a little pancake?
This is like a pancake, yeah.
Okay,
It's
yeah,
like a
let's
stuffed
try
and
it.
like it's quite sweet. Egg jana.
So you grab it?
Ah.
Yeah, how do you try it?
You have to take a small bite like this.
Oh, okay. Yeah, like that?
Yeah, and then you eat it. Or you can stuff in your face. Yeah.
Mmm.
Nice, right?
Nice, sweet.
So it's a Maharashtrian dish.
So it's a very grainy, sweet crepe. There's like no sauce in here though.
Yeah, no sauce. You don't need anything. Just eat it. This is like a go-to food.
That's awesome. Here, this fish market, basically you can find shark, crab, shrimp, small shrimp, so like tiny prawns. What else do we have here? And then you have a variety of different fish, which I've never seen before in this area.
Meant for frying.
Oh, for frying.
You get a crispy fry.
Okay.
I'm sure you're gonna have this in upcoming meals.
Okay.
Let's look forward.
Let's look for some fish. We're gonna go to a restaurant right here. I think they're opening now.
Yeah, it's opening now. Yeah.
Woo!
You can have a quick bite to understand like how fresh catch you get here. It's called Mata Pita Da Dhaba, as in mom dad's hut. So it's like very homey feeling they wanted to give for their footfalls.
What I see from the menu that I love already are the sticks, so like prawn sticks. Let's eat. Let's eat.
Prawns, fried prawns, and we are ordering fried Bombay duck, which is like very speciality of Mumbai.
Okay,
So
perfect.
you'll get only in Mumbai. You won't get this in Delhi or wherever places.
So this is Bombay duck. This is a local fish here. It's fried. I'm sure they put some curries. Let's try with this sauce. Oh wow. Ooh, very soft fish. The batter's light. Mmm. Fish fingers or fish sticks. Oh man, this is amazing. Different type of fish. It feels almost like a flounder. Like amazing.
Nice.
I love it.
It's like a Szechuan chutney, Szechuan sauce. I smell it. Crunchy, right?
Right?
Super crunchy. So this is like how fisherman village guys cook it. Do kolivada style. So what is kolivada style? It's like a deep fry in hot oil. They just quick it. Ta ta ta. So we have another dish here. So what we have here is prawns. So these are kolivada style prawns. So you get that crunchy, crunchy, super hot. Totally loving it. Kolivada style prawns. You're having a good time eating out, huh?
My turn.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's hot.
Okay, it's hot. Be careful.
Mmm. Juicy. There is like a curry spice in there.
Spiciness, yeah.
Mmm. It's like, this is like India.
Yeah.
This is the first time I eat Indian seafood. So
Thanks to Booker by Bird.
This is so delicious. Last bite. Last delicious bite right here. The fish blew me away. Love the prawns. Woo! Now, where are we going? Buddha Temple, Pagoda. 300? 100, 100. Nah, free. No, you pay me.
So we had little quick bite, Indian delicacy.
That was
So we
one of
call
the
it
best meals
food
I've
for
had.
fuel.
Yeah, it
We are
is.
very energetic, and next stop is, so we are going to Malad side, and then we are planning, we are so on the way to Global Vipassana Pagoda, for we will seek some spirituality.
This is like the only like gold pagoda here in this area, Mumbai. I think it's the only one in Mumbai.
In Mumbai, yeah.
Like the gold dome pagoda.
Gold dome,
It looks
yeah.
very like Thai style.
Yeah.
Sri Lanka, Thai.
Sri Lanka style, yeah.
Sri Lanka. There's two ways to get to the pagoda. Either you take a bus, which takes roughly about an hour, or you take a tuk-tuk, then you catch a jetty, then you take another tuk-tuk, and it'll take a little, maybe like 35 minutes, 40 minutes to get there.
It was 190 rupees. It's around $4.
Perfect. Go straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a quick stop here though because I want a coconut.
Yeah.
Hello. Coconut? Wow. Best thing to do when you're here in Mumbai is get yourself a coconut every day. It's delicious, it's healthy, and it's my favorite thing in the world. Alright, I'm done. Do I just leave it here? So now we're gonna take a jetty, so basically another ferry, and we're gonna cross over to another island,
Yeah.
and there we're gonna go to see the pagoda.
Pagoda. The Global Vipassana Pagoda. So it is actually so big. If when we will go closer, you will come to know how big it is, how enormous it is. And once the ferry is totally full, now it is like there are only plenty of people here there. So they are waiting for more people to come. And maybe once it is full according to them, and then they will start. And maybe it's just a 5-minute drive.
We made it. We've arrived at the Global Vipassana Pagoda. This is a meditation hall that was built in 2009 on donated land. It's gorgeous, probably the biggest one I've ever seen. You can see a lot of pagodas like this in Sri Lanka, in Southeast Asia.
So this is the monument for peace and harmony, and it is built on the totally volunteer donation. And the dome is the dome is built without the pillars. And if you see, so the height of the dome is approximately 29 meters, and while the height of the building is 96 meters.
The only way to get back to Mumbai is by ferry. I love it. It's like we've been on Uber, tuk-tuk ferry, tuk-tuk Uber, Uber, tuk-tuk, like. This is like a very, very peaceful part of Mumbai. It's like no one out here. Like straight up zen.
I like meditate.
Yeah, no. And this music they're putting on is putting me to sleep. It's like, as you can see, it's very green around here. There's no development on the island, or very, very little. Right across, obviously you can see development here, a lot of housing. Yeah, just the breeze here is amazing.
Yeah.
With the heat that we had earlier.
You're not feeling heat, yeah?
No,
right?
no heat.
It's
No.
like flowing really nice.
Yeah. Good.
That's helping.
What is it?
Frankie is like like you have stuffing in the roti, so it's like a quick bite.
Did you want one?
Yeah. Frankie कौन सा बनता है? Non-veg है? So you have non-veg Frankie and they have veg Frankie. Which one you like?
So let's eat a Frankie. Basically, this is basically like another crepe with noodles, eggs, vegetables, onions.
Coffee, right?
Yeah, very nice sauce. This tastes more Chinese.
Chinese, yeah. There's good mix of noodles, then there's potato and onions, and a little bit of Chinese sauce, chili sauce and all.
The sauce, I love it. Spicy. That was so good. Little snack. Keep the energy going. So guys, if you love this little food tour, attraction tour we did today, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and subscribe to my channel. And leave me a comment about any food you want to know more about in Mumbai. This guy's the food guy. He'll tell you everything. Just follow him right here. And yeah, dude, thank you.